My reason was le Champ regulation. I mean, coming back to regulation and how this can shape actually the ecosystem, it's really important. I mean, we being in the city and being also in a regulated area for cheese manufacturing. I mean, we had a lot of constraints. I mean, you had to comply with the label of certain other industries around.
Interesting.
And it was maybe a constraint seen back then in 10, 15 years ago. But today, I think we will get more and more into that type of interaction with the ecosystem.
Yeah.
And it gives us an advantage. Huh?
Yeah.
So it's not natural that a group like Pfeiffer, who's global, decides actually to invest a big portion of the capex in NC site, even if it's a city closed, and optimize the footprint around the current factory. Huh?